When to capitalize borrowing costs under IFRS and US GAAP. 1. Under IFRS, IAS 23, borrowing costs. When are borrowing costs capitalized? Borrowing costs should be capitalized only when all of the following conditions are met. 1. Expenditures for the asset are being incurred. 2. Borrowing costs are being incurred. 3. Activities necessary to prepare the asset for its intended use or sale are in progress. Capitalization ends when the asset is ready for use or sale. What qualifies as an eligible asset? Assets that take a substantial period of time, typically more than 12 months, to get ready for use or sale, such as buildings, manufacturing plants, infrastructure projects, ships and aircraft. 2. Under US GAAP, ASC 83520, capitalization of interest. When are borrowing costs capitalized? Under ASC 83520, interest is capitalized when 1. The asset is under construction for internal use or for sale. 2. The construction period spans more than one accounting period. 3. The project is financed with borrowings. The standard emphasizes avoidable interest. Interest costs that would not have been incurred if the expenditures had not been made. How is capitalized interest measured? US GAAP uses weighted average accumulated expenditures multiplied by the applicable borrowing rate.